Hi friends, welcome to the Forgotten Lore. How are you? I believe all of you are fine. I am also fine. Everything is fine. All is well. Come on friends, today let us enter inside our channel, The Forgotten Lore.
Friends, today in our Forgotten Lore, we are going to discuss about a simple, very simple homemade preparation to get rid of cold, cough, nasal congestion, irritation and itching in the nose, throat and in the ears, and even for body pain and a little fever. This will be a very good remedy. Friends, these are the needed materials for that preparation. The materials are black peppercorn, turmeric powder, clove, crystal salt, and we call it as omam. So these are the main 5 ingredients. Besides this, we will use only one of this betel vine leaf. So now let us start the preparation. I will show how to prepare that. Take one betel vine leaf, clean it. So on that we have to keep only 3 black peppercorns, only 3, and then only 1 clove, place it, and then we have to take only 3 small crystals of salt. Then this omam. So only 1 pinch of this we have to take, and then along with this very little quantity of this turmeric powder. So all together we have to mix. Just we have to roll it in the leaf and we have to chew it slowly. So that will be a very good remedy for all the uh, discomforts which already we have discussed. So after eating this one, we will discuss about the health benefits of betel leaf.
Friends, this plant is commonly known as betel vine plant. Scientifically, this is known as Piper betel, and this belongs to the family Piperaceae. There are two more plants which have high medicinal value in this Piperaceae family. They are commonly known as pepper and long pepper. The scientific name of them are Piper nigrum, that is the black pepper, and Piper longum, that is the long pepper. So today we are going to discuss about this betel vine leaf, which also has high medicinal value, and traditionally it is used in India throughout the country during the ceremonies, and commonly they chew this leaf for its medicinal value.
In rural areas, most of the people they consume it or they chew it as a medicine to promote the digestion. These heart-shaped leaves are highly medicinal and they are rich in vitamins. And this leaf is one of the important source of vitamin B1, B6 as well as D. This is one of the important source of antioxidants, and chewing the betel leaves, they improve the production of ascorbic acid in our saliva, and this ascorbic acid is a very good antioxidant. Because of the presence of antioxidants, chewing of this betel leaf prevents the formation of free radicals also. Studies say that since it is rich in antioxidants, it has the control over free radicals. By that, it is preventing certain health problems, including cancer. And it has anti-inflammatory property also, so that it has the capacity to reduce any inflammation in our body. Consumption of this leaf prevents constipation and it improves the process of digestion. It prevents gastric pain as well as it reduces the problem of bloating, Since it increases the digestion process, the hunger also will increase, so that intake of nutritions by our intestine also will increase. Since it has analgesic property, it will help to alleviate pain caused by cuts, rashes, bruises and other kind of inflammation and injuries. And this leaf has antiseptic properties also. It has antifungal as well as antimicrobial properties also, and it has the capacity to give relief from cough. Since it has analgesic and cooling properties, we can get relief from headache also, and some studies show that it is very good for diabetes, and it is rich in riboflavin and vitamin C. Decoction of this leaf reduces the problems in the respiratory tract, so that it is reducing the problem of asthma and bronchitis. It is very good in the treatment of obstructed urination or scanty urination, because it is a very good diuretic. Topical application of this betel leaf oil is a very good treatment for muscular problems. Consumption of this leaf increases the metabolic activity of our body, and it promotes good alertness. One of the most important medicinal character of this leaf is it is very good to maintain our oral health. Chewing of this betel leaf, fresh leaf, it cleanses our mouth and it gives fresh breath to us. Since it has antiseptic, antifungal and antimicrobial properties, it can be used as a genital wash, so that it promotes the vaginal health in case of female. And in case of earache, it is a very good remedy. It is used as a treatment to get rid of earache. It is a remedy for nosebleed, which is created because of allergic reactions and high blood pressure. It is acting as a very good aphrodisiac, and it increases fertility in case of both male and female by triggering the production of sex hormones. And it is advised to take to reduce the problems of nervous pains or nervous disorders. And some people, they take this as a medicine to maintain the liver function. The liver function is maintained because of the presence of tannin in this leaf. Some research reports say that it is very good in the treatment of rheumatoid arthritis as well as osteoporosis by reducing the inflammation. Application of betel leaf paste as a poultice on the surface of wounds promotes the healing process. Since it has antiseptic and antibacterial properties, it is faster in curing or healing the wounds. And since it is rich in vitamin C, that is very very helpful and speeding up the healing process. Since it is rich in vitamin C, it is very good in maintaining healthy skin. Application of leaf juice, this betel leaf juice externally on the skin prevents many kinds of skin problems. This vitamin C promotes the beauty of the skin. Some people, they are using this leaf juice or the decoction of this leaf as a face wash to maintain the beauty and the youthness of the skin. Since it has antiseptic and antifungal properties, it is very good in the prevention and in the treatment of acne. And some people, they are using it as a bath powder, or this leaf juice is added in the bath water to reduce the body odor. I have seen some people, they are using this leaf juice or the paste of the leaf as a remedy and to remove warts in our body. And since this is a very good natural medication, this process will not remove any scars on the place where the warts were present. Hot poultice of this betel leaf is a very good medicine for the people who are suffering with lumbago or the lower back pain. Massaging of this betel leaf oil is also giving very good remedy. These betel leaves are included in the body maintenance weight loss regime also. The people who want to reduce their weight, they are regularly consuming this leaf to maintain their body weight. In Ayurveda, this is recommended as a treatment and remedy for erectile dysfunction. So friends, thank you for watching the video patiently. Whenever you get time, kindly watch all my videos and give me your precious comments and feedback in the comment section so that I can improve my channel and my way of presentation. Kindly support me and encourage me by supporting and subscribing my channel. So friends, meet you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself and your family. See you. Bye bye. Best wishes.